Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam look. And today I'm using a palette from an Indian beauty brand. It's called TANN Beauty, and this is All I Need palette. I love this palette, guys. It's got some amazing colors. Well, before we get started, it's not a sponsored video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. I'm going to take the NYX Correct Conceal and Contour palette and take this shade here, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. This will just cancel out any discoloration I have over my eyelid, and it will also enhance the color a little more. I'm going to use my finger to apply this product as it will melt it and will make it easier to apply evenly all over my eyes. I'm also going to apply it from the inner corners all the way to the brow bone. As I'm going along, I'm also blending it and setting it with my finger. We cannot leave it patchy as it will affect our eyeshadow application. Next, I'm using this nude shade from the palette as my transition color. So I'm going to apply it right over my crease and then blend it out well in circular motions or in windshield wiper motions. For this, I'm using my Pro Blending Brush from Sephora in 27. You can also see my video on how to blend your eyeshadow perfectly. I will leave the link for the same in the description box down below for you guys to watch it later. I will mention all the products that I've used in the video in the description box down below. Then I'm taking the shade Blower Kiss from the palette and then applying it on my crease. And as I go along, I'm blending it in circular motions or in swiping motions. Going back with my Sephora brush and the transition shade, I'm tapping off any excess eyeshadow to blend out any harsh lines between the transition shade and the crease color. Then I'm just blending it lightly in swiping motions because I don't want to remove the crease color I've applied before. Taking the same shade from the NYX palette, I'm going to apply it on the centers of my lid, starting from the inner corner all the way to the center of my lid. Taking this highlight shade from the palette, I will apply it wherever I applied the eyeshadow base, starting from the inner corners to the center of the lid. I'm going to apply it with my finger first because it enhances the color of the eyeshadow, and then I'll take my brush just to blend out any harsh lines. For this, I'm using a flat shader brush from MAC. Then I'm taking the brush that I applied the crease color with, and with whatever product that is there on the brush, I'm blending out the harsh lines. To create a smoky eyeliner, we first have to apply an eyeliner. So today I'm using a gel eyeliner from PAC and creating a rough line for my eyeliner. This does not have to be perfect, as you know we will be smoking it out. You can use an eyeliner pen or a kajal pencil, whatever you like, but you will have to work a little faster as it will dry out quickly. And for this purpose, I prefer to use a gel-based eyeliner so that you can blend it out and take your time in blending. As you can see, I'm not creating any wing while I apply this eyeliner because we will create the wing while we are smoking it out with the eyeshadow. So I also like to apply my eyeliner or keep my smoky eyeliner thinner from the inner corners and thicker from the outer corners. You can apply it however you like it. Now I'm taking the shade Cold from the palette and a small smudge brush. I'm going to start smoking out my eyeliner from the center. So we apply the brush on the top line of the eyeliner and in swiping motions go outwards over the eyeliner, creating a wing. We need to build the smokiness, so we have to go slow. Patience is the virtue of smoky eyeliners. Always tap off the excess eyeshadow and then blend out the top line of the eyeliner into your eyelid color. I like to do the inner corners once I'm happy with the rest of the eyeliner. Also keep in mind to maintain the shape of the eyeliner, so you don't want an absurd shape in the end. To intensify the eyeliner, I'm taking in more eyeshadow and patting it closest to my lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Today, I'm going to wear the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. If you're not wearing falsies, I would recommend you to wear a lot of mascara because that's how your look is going to get enhanced. Today, I'm wearing false lashes from PAC Cosmetics in 213. Next, I'm going to clean up any excess fallout from the eyeshadow, and to my surprise, there was barely any fallout. I will do my face makeup off camera and go to the lower lash line. I'm using the shades Blow a Kiss and Power from the palette to smoke out my lower lash line, and for this I'm using a pencil brush from MAC. Then I'm going to finish off by applying mascara to my lower lashes. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And for those who are new here, I post videos every week, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.